say nothing at all? Okay. Okay. Natatawa ako eh. It's amazing how you can speak right through my heart. Ito po ang request ni Kuya Nels para po sa isang babaeng ayaw niyang patulogin. Without saying a word, light up the dark. Try as they may, I can never explain what's been said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's the truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud. Porket maganda yung sulat eh, no? Kain na po kasi. Ako na bahala kay mama. Ako chime. J-Pot. Sino si J-Pot? Tita, sino si J-Pot? Saying I love you, it's not a wonder, want to hear from you. Ay, asawa? Ikaw na, tita. May mic naman pala eh. Going back to the corner where I first saw you going. Cramp on my sleeping bag and I'm gonna move on the way. Got some words uncoupled, got your picture in my head saying, ay, hindi. Aalis ako dapat kanina. Nagkasakit ang loka. And then one day you wake up and find that you're missing me. And your heart starts to wonder where on this earth I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made before two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You said it's too late to make it. You said it's too late to try. And in the times that we wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed. I'm still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of the change I spent on you. Where have the times come, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever after. I would still be whole, fresh like Dougie for